Now this illustration deals with box fill, but notice that we have to count first before we actually put down each individual item and calculate the fill. So we have Romex connectors coming in, meaning no clamps. So we don't have to worry about clamps. We can push that aside. We have one hickey. We have two ungrounded conductors coming in, but we have two non-metallic sheath cables coming in, so therefore that's going to give us 4 ungrounded conductors. We have 2 equipment grounding conductors coming in. Then we have the fixture wire, and we have a canopy. So it looks like the exception is being applied here along with 314.16b. Now notice we have a stud, a hickey, as pointed out, and we have 2 equipment grounds coming in, and we have 2 neutrals coming in. So looking at the fill area, we can move now and actually get the count of the fill that we'd have to figure to size the box. And our next illustration, 12-9B, will show.